Sa paglago ng ekonomiya, umuusbong din ang dark web and deep web. So, sabay-sabay natin alamin kung ano nga ba ang dark web and deep web dito sa special New Year's Eve upload ng ating page sa ating All About Technology sa Facebook and sa YouTube natin. So, yun, may sinerch ako na content and ayan. So, ayan. So, nilagay ko na lang sa PowerPoint. Ayan. So, ayan. Ito. Pakita ko sa inyo yung content ng dark web and deep web. So, ayan. So, sabay-sabay natin basahin upang malaman nyo kung ano ang dark web and deep web and bakit nga ba hindi pwedeng bisitahin ito. So, yan. So, unahin natin, define muna natin kung ano ang deep web. So, deep web is a part of the internet that index by standard search engines include private databases, password-protected sites, and internal networks, legitimate uses for secure and private information access. And for the dark web, it is a subset of deep web accessible only via specialized software. For example, a Tor browser. It enables anonymous communication and browsing associated with illegal activities like drug trafficking, hacking, and stolen data markets. Some legitimate uses exist, such as whistleblowing and journalism. So why you don't need to visit the dark web? First, legal risks. Exposure to illegal content can lead to legal trouble. Security threats, malware, phishing attacks, and identity tracking. Third, ethical concerns. Interaction indirectly supports illegal activities. Irrelevance. Everyday internet needs are met on the surface or deep web. Personal safety, avoid dangerous communities and potential exploitation. Importance of awareness, educational value, enhances cybersecurity knowledge, prevention encourages safe internet practices, cybersecurity measures, helps protect sensitive information. Conclusion, understanding is crucial, but visiting dark web is unnecessary. So that's all for now. So I hope you learn more about on what is dark web, deep web, and why it is not important to visit dark web and deep web. Thanks for watching.